Hey guys, how's it going? Happy holidays! It's another video about the festive season.
I have a hot glue gun.
Today, we're going to decorate holiday iPhone cases. So we've got two cases here. I have a really cute little folio case, and you've got that
one. Wait,
one.
how is that fair? I only have one side.
You're right. Well,
I Justine, more like I just cheat.
this isn't a competition, this is just fun. Yeah. Ow!
You're being super dramatic.
Let me show you what I had to feel.
Don't touch me.
Got a bunch of craft supplies.
We also have Tostitos chips.
We do.
Not sponsored, just for fun.
God, I love Tostitos.
Nick loves when we crunch right in the mic. This is not sponsored.
One kind of script him. You get some Tostitos. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm slightly kidding. I don't know.
Can you get Tostitos on Amazon?
Where do you think I got those?
All right, I'm ready to decorate. I have no idea what is happening. You're blocking my shot. Cause like, what is this? What is this? Han.
What is this?
That's not good for audio.
Han. What actually is this? All right, I know what I want to do.
Oh, look at this. This is very fancy.
Have a holly
Jolly Christmas. That's a little big. It's a little aggressive.
You're a little aggressive.
Yes. The key to holiday decorations is to really think outside the box.
I can barely think the regular box.
Oh my gosh, these are so super cute.
This is making me so upset.
Okay, this is blinking. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, Jenna, oh my gosh. These were on sale at Target.
Here's the thing. You're left-handed, right?
Yes.
Doesn't that mean you use the part of your brain that makes you creative?
Yeah, but I'm using my right hand right now.
I'm
ambidextrous is the
So that means you're using your whole brain, which means you're more creative than me.
It's true.
Oh man. Ow! Jesus! That was delayed burn!
You gotta be careful.
It was like touched me, but I didn't realize it because my neurons were a little slow, and then it just shook me like a hurricane. Rock me like a hurricane. What else you got in this little pack?
What you got in that pack?
This is my last resort.
Suffocation, no breathing, don't give up. If I cut my arm bleeding.
I'd like to apologize to everyone who's made it this far in the video and nothing has happened yet.
Ow, my finger is burning.
Hot to touch. This is what we're. No, shut up! It's gonna be fabulous.
Okay, I believe it. I think I'm getting real into DIY, like doing it myself, doing it yourself.
I need more things. No, don't look.
Okay, not looking. Surprised. Wonder what she's getting out there.
I don't know.
Okay, well, you know, you do whatever you think that you need to do.
I have no idea what I need to do. I would like to start over. Can we start the video over?
The heck?
Redo. Mulligan.
What's that mean?
How come my glue isn't being hot?
I don't think I want to do it myself anymore. Alexa, play Everybody Hurts.
This is like how I feel right now.
I know.
Really sad because I lost again at a not competition.
Alexa, stop. I'm gonna get a copyright strike.
I was just getting into it. I just don't love my creative direction here. It's trash.
How long have we been rolling?
44 minutes.
I've been gluing these freaking things down for 44
Have you
minutes.
really?
Oh. 19.
19. Oh, really?
That might as well be 44.
It feels like for freaking ever.
Like these little gems, I'm looking for symmetry and they're hard to match up.
Symmetry.
I like symmetry. I like symmetry and I like following the rules.
Ooh, you sound like a goody two shoes.
I'm fun.
Oh, hey guys, you want to follow the rules and have a fun time?
Symmetrical fun.
Call Jenna. I'd give you her number, but I don't know it.
You don't know my number? What if there's an emergency?
Well, I guess I'll jam some gems in.
I never liked doing arts and crafts in school. Did you? Ow, jeez!
Of course I did. I'm right-brained.
Sometimes you're like, no brain. No, you're fine.
Wow, my... Ow! God, is it hot? Is mother flaming firecrackers forever.
What?
Jeez. I don't... Ow, God! Ow! Full of gracious glory.
Everybody hurts sometime.
I hope you're having fun.
I don't like losing.
Oh, look at the symmetry.
Well, it's not symmetric because I can't find it.
Well.
Are we done yet? Because
Yeah, I could do this all night, and it's already like freaking midnight.
I think it's the morning now. All right, here we go. It's an iPhone. It's a case. It's a necklace. It's fashion.
Oh, that's cute. Mine will get you through a dark night when you walk to your car and you're like, where's my keys?
See, this isn't fair. You had 2 parts to decorate.
Yeah, but I had more surface area that I had to cover.
Yeah, but like you had more options. Like I have this. I'm putting myself in the freezer. I quit.
You should go in there. I'll see you in a couple of years. I'll come be like, Jenna's in cryo freeze. Let's see what she's doing. She comes out. She still has like her 2018.
These are still lit. Kept me warm. I didn't actually freeze.
Oh boy.
I come out, I'm 30. I'm like, no, I'm just almost just teens age. I'm catching up. I think this is terrible. Let me see it on you. Yours isn't a necklace. You're a loser.
Come on, it's lovely weather for an iPhone.
Let me see.
Decorating together with you.
You know, it looks better further away. I've been looking at it close up, and I'm like, oof. But wowee, from far away, it's glamorous. Super glitz, super glam. I can let you borrow it, because it's J.
How many songs have we sang in like everything that we do, there is a song for it.
Mine's better. I won this competition.
Okay, well this isn't a competition.
No, I won.
Unless you guys want to make it a competition.
I won.
Let us know in the comments below whose you think is the best. I will also put a poll right up here.
You could do that?
Yeah.
Oh
and then
my
you guys
gosh.
can let us know whose you think looks better.
Guys, please.
Do you think
Mine's
mine
a
looks
necklace.
better?
It's a necklace. It's a carrier.
Or do you think Jenna's looks better?
It's a noisemaker.
Yeah, can you get a shot? Can you see close up? Do you see how good this looks? Yeah, that looks great. Like mine even opens up. I can turn. Look.
That's the disadvantage. You chose the case. You gave me this one.
Look, it also blinks.
You're an idiot. You gave me.
You're ruining the Christmas spirit. You're a Grinch.
No, I love Christmas, but you admit that you took the case that you knew you could make better than mine. Joke's on you, because the poll's gonna be like, Jenna's looks beautiful.
Can't hear you because I'm crunching. I'm gonna send this clip to Matt.
He's not
Guys,
gonna like it.
Listen, I have a task for you.
Oh no.
This is very important. Go find something super crunchy, eat it, and then tweet it to @NadeShot.
He's not gonna be happy.
And tell him Merry Christmas.
He's not gonna like that at all.
It's gonna be the best thing ever. Okay,
Oh, this is also an instrument.
We're ending this video. That's bad for the microphone. You're ruining
I'm ruining
Christmas.
it.
Christmas has been ruined. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Happy holidays. If you guys decide to make a festive holiday case for a friend or for yourself, please tweet it to me or Jenna. Tweet it to us both. We want to see them. And let us know whose case you like the best. And yes, I may have had a slight advantage. I didn't even realize it. Buddy. Bye. Let's stop this right now. We're done.